Welcome back to course number 6, Saving and Emergency Funds. In this lecture, we'll focus on one of the most powerful tools for financial stability, the emergency fund. By the end, you'll understand what it is, why it matters, and how to start building one. An emergency fund is money you set aside to cover unexpected expenses. It's not for vacations or shopping. It's for true emergencies like medical bills, car repairs, or losing your job. The purpose is to provide a safety net so you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans when life surprises you. Emergencies happen to everyone. Without savings, even small setbacks can lead to debt and stress. With an emergency fund, you have peace of mind and financial independence. It allows you to handle challenges without derailing your long-term goals. Financial experts often recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. For students, that might feel overwhelming. A good starting point is $500 to $1,000. Over time, as your income grows, you can expand your fund to cover several months of rent, food, and bills. Your emergency fund should be safe, accessible, and separate from your spending money. A regular savings account or a high-yield savings account works well. Avoid risky investments for this money. You want it available immediately when needed. Start small and be consistent. Save a little from each paycheck, set up automatic transfers, or put aside windfalls like tax refunds or scholarships. Even $20 a month adds up over time. The key is to make saving automatic so you don't have to think about it. An emergency fund should only be used for true emergencies, not for vacations, shopping, or optional expenses. Using it for non-essentials defeats the purpose. It's your financial safety net, so protect it for when you really need it. Let's consider a student named Chris. Chris sets a goal of saving $25 a month and builds an emergency fund of $600 over 2 years. When his laptop unexpectedly breaks, he can replace it without going into debt. Chris's experience shows how even a modest emergency fund can make a big difference. Having an emergency fund not only saves money, it also reduces stress and gives you confidence. Knowing you have a backup plan makes it easier to focus on school, work, and personal goals. It turns financial chaos into manageable inconvenience. To summarize, an emergency fund is one of the best tools you can create for financial security. Start small, keep it separate, and use it only for real emergencies. Over time, you'll build a cushion that protects you, reduces stress, and helps you stay on track with your financial goals. This concludes our discussion about the emergency fund. In the next lesson, we will learn about practical saving techniques. See you then.